Oh, careful there, Tommy. You are such a silly little helper, aren't you? Good morning, children. Welcome back, and I'm so glad you're here today. Tommy, wake up! Look, the classroom is so messy. Let's clean up together. Dancing, sweeping, and looking neat. Look at these moves. Aren't I sweet? Clean up, everybody everywhere. Are you all right, Tommy? Let's divide tasks. I'll clean the table, you sweep the floor.
Almost done. Keep going.
Look how neat the cars are now.
Hooray! We did it! Here's the red one. Thanks. It goes right here.
Wow, that looks so neat. 1, 2, 3, done. A clean classroom is a happy classroom. Great job, everyone. Good job, Tommy.
Now, let's decorate the classroom.
This looks amazing. We finished it!
Hooray! Great job, everyone. That's okay, Tommy. You look adorable. Welcome back, everyone. Isn't our sparkling classroom wonderful today?
Look, Miss Bella, a butterfly.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fluffiest of them all?
It's party time!
It's wonderful, everyone.
Keep moving.
We love dancing with you, Miss Bella. Look at all the beautiful colors, Tommy. Aren't they magical?
When we clean, we feel happy.
Clean and happy.
You did so well today, Tommy. Here's your special badge.
Meow. Meow. Yay! We did it!
Well, that was fun. Hope you had a great time learning with me. Goodbye.
Remember, always keep your room clean.